So now we are going for an area of triangle. Area of triangle. We know about the Heron's formula, but so when they given like this, how to find? Okay, in this group, okay, we need to derive a formula for this. Okay, already we know that by using the Heron's formula we can get, but if they did not give us the Heron's formula means they give the side out. Okay, if they give BC side, okay, now AB side, BC side, AC side, we can apply the Heron's formula. But here they given the points of A, B, C, but they did not given the distance between AB, distance between BC, distance between CA. Okay, then how we are going to find the area of triangle. Okay, are you ready? If they given like this, the points are given like this, then how to find the area of triangle? Means, let us see, I am drawing here. Okay, if we have a base, to find the area of triangle we have various things. Okay, suppose to find the area of triangle like this. Okay, triangle is like this. Okay, you can find A, B, C. For this is called as base, and this is height. This is height. So in this, area of triangle equals to half into base into height. Half into base into height. So that is half into base means BC into height in the sense AB. Okay, like that you can do area of triangle. The triangle is like this. Okay, I am making the perpendiculars. Perpendicular, it's A, B, C. Perpendicular means 90 degrees with respect to BC. It makes an angle of 90 degrees. Then this is called as base, whereas this is called as height of a triangle. Okay, the perpendicular is called as height of a triangle. Then in this sense, the area of triangle, what we are finding is half into same base into height. Base is just name it as D here. BC into AD. Okay, area of triangle half into BC into AD. Okay, then if not they given like this, if they given like this and try to find the A, B, C. Okay, BC is 5 units. This is 6 units, and this is 4 units. Same as it is 6 units. Okay, now if they given like this, the distance between BC is 5 units and AB is 6 units and AC is 6 units. Okay, now area of triangle in this formula, area of triangle, how we are going to find is Heron's formula. Yes, root over S. Okay, into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So S is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. What is A means? Small a means, okay, now here capital A means the, so we have to take small a, and capital B, small b, capital B, small c, where small c equals to the distance between between BC, where small b equals to the distance between AC, whereas small c equals to the distance between AB. So A is the distance between BC, B is the distance between AC, C is the distance between AB. So this, if they given the distance between, we can find like this. Okay, yes, A plus B plus C by 2. So using this formula. Okay, but if they given like this, we can find area half into base into height. If they given like this also, make them into right angle triangles. Okay, this is height, this is base. Okay, if they given like this, BC is 5 units, AC is 6 units. Okay, now AB is 6 units also. You can find like this. But if they given points like these points is given, then how you are going to find the area of triangle if the point is given. Okay, are you ready? So to find the area of triangle if the points are given, okay, then it will be area of triangle. We are going to divide the formula first. That is area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Trapezium. A B Q P is a trapezium. Okay, trapezium. Okay, now A B Q P is a trapezium. Okay, A B Q P plus next again trapezium A B P Q R. One more trapezium. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. AC. Next, after that, subtract this. From the both this, subtract this, we will get the, okay, from this you got this angle side. Okay, now, from both trapeziums, okay, from this trapezium APQ, and in this, if you both subtract this total trapezium, okay, you subtract minus area of trapezium, what is that? ABC, area of, trapezium BQRC. Okay, from this trapezium, one trapezium, second trapezium, from this, if you subtract this, okay, if you remove this, okay, if you remove this, what you are going to get? You are going to get the triangle. Is it right? You are going to get the triangle. Like that, you can find the area of triangle from this trapezium, first trapezium and second trapezium. Okay, now from this, if you remove this, part, you will get the triangle part. So this is area of triangle. Ready? So, what is area of trapezium? What is area of trapezium? So area of trapezium actually, area of trapezium is equals to half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them, distance between them. How means? Let's see here. This is trapezium. Like it will be the shape of a trapezium. This is shape of a trapezium. So A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. These are called as heights, distance between them. So AB is parallel to CD. Okay, na? Sum of parallel side and distance between them. So this is the distance between them. That is H. Okay, and D. Let us take as AE and AF. Okay, now AF, making this as F coordinate, F point, vertex of F, This is called as trapezium. Okay, AF is equals to BE. BE. So it means by that AF and B equals to, they are called as distance between the two parallel sides. Distance between two parallels. Distance between two parallels. AF equals to BE, that is distance between two parallels. Are you getting? So distance between two parallel lines. So this is called as area of trapezium. So now we have to substitute in this. So to get area of triangle, we need to substitute in that. There is area of triangle is equals to, first area of trapezium ABQR. So A, P, Q, P. This is the first trapezium. From this is first trapezium A, B, Q, P. This is total one trapezium. And what is this? What are the parallel lines? Half into, what are the parallel lines? BQ plus APR parallel lines into distance between them is QB is distance between them, plus half into, for this triangle APRC, APRC for the trapezium ABRC is AP and what are parallel lines? AP and QR are parallel lines, and distance between them is PR minus half into trapezium BC. So BC plus, sorry, BQ and parallel lines BQ and CR are parallel lines, and distance between them is QR. So that is half into BQ plus AP. So BQ plus BQ plus AP. So it is parallel to, this is parallel to y-axis. So that's why BQ equals to y2. Distance total is belongs to y. Okay, now this is total belongs to y1. Here y coordinate is there, that's why it is called as, it is equal to y coordinate. So that's why BQ equals to, what is that? Total BQ equals to y2 plus y1 into what is AP? Okay, from here to here AP. Okay, so we want QP. QP means x1 is there and x2 is there. So it will be total distance, it belongs to from here to here x2 minus from here. So it will be x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 plus half into AP. What is AP? Again y1 plus QR. QR equals to y3 into PR. Nothing but PR is x3 minus x1 minus half into y2 plus, because what is the parallel BC? So BQ here, not BC, is a BQ. So BQ is y2, C3 is it's y3 into these values x2 minus x3 minus x2. Okay, if you solve this, we will get an area of triangle formula. area of triangle formula half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y2 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the modulus of a. Why? Because modulus means a never be negative. That's why a never be negative. That's why we need to put a modulus. So x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 y x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the area of triangle formula. Okay, take this. So how to find given points of collinear using area of triangle formula. Okay, like this. If the points are given like this, what do you mean by collinear? First of all, I told you that what is meant by collinear. All the points lie in a same straight line. Okay, all the points lie in a same straight line. Line in a same straight line. All the points lie in a same straight line like this. Point A is x1 comma y1. Point B is x2 comma y2. The point C is x3 comma y3. So all the points lie in a same straight line. That is called as all the points lie in a same straight line. That is called as collinear. Okay. So by using the triangle, area of triangle. Okay. How to find the given points of collinear using area of triangle. Okay. To show given points are collinear. Given points are collinear. Condition is area of triangle. Condition is area of triangle ABC, that is delta. Area of triangle ABC delta is equals to delta half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, na? Must be equals to 0. Okay, if you read the area of triangle, should be equal to 0. Total is equals to 0. Then the given points are collinear. The area of triangle is equals to 0. Okay, then it is called as collinear. What is the collision condition is area of triangle must be equals to 0. Are you ready? So area of triangle must be equals to 0. Then it is the given points are called as collinear. Are you ready? Okay. Come on, take this. So the given points, if the points are given, okay, now the area, if you do the area of triangle, then the area of triangle you are getting is 0. Then it will be what is it? It will be collinear points. Okay, the condition of collision is area of triangle must be equals to 0. We need to equate area of triangle to 0. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next, try to solve the problems. Try to solve the problem one by one. Exercise number 7.3. First one. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are point A given as 2,3, whereas point B is given as minus 1,0, point C given as 2, minus 4. Okay. Solution for this is area of triangle. This is area of triangle. So area of triangle A is 2, 3, and the B point is minus 1, 0. The C point is 2, minus 4. Okay, if you name it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Then regarding the area of triangle formula, what is the area of triangle formula? Area of triangle formula. Area of triangle formula equals to, what is that? Half into, okay, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y2 minus y1. Okay, this is. So how do we remember surnames? Nothing but get circle. It's 1. Take circle 1, 2. Okay, and the 3. Right span is like this. Sorry, and the 3. Okay. If you go with 1, then 2, 3. 2, 3. When you are having the 2 number, 3. Okay, now next number is 2. Then what is the remaining number? 3, 1. Don't mug up the formula. Okay, that means here 3. Then again, yeah, I will turn on. So we can check 3 after 2, 3 after 1, 2. So 1 and here it is 2. Like that you can check the formula. Okay. So first of all 1 is there. Then afterward 2, 3. y2 minus y3. 2 is there. 3, 1. 3, 1. 3 is there. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes. This is the area of triangle formula.